Right, just a quick one. Engine is now extracted. Bellows in, 4.2. Jag bellows in. Start motor, homemade. High torque. Going to re-drill some holes to get that in there. We'll change something, but anyway, it's going to go in. Got to change front pulley. That's all coming off. Got that. Oil filter house is done. Got that. Oil pickup pipes, we need some. Got that. I think there must be. I bet they've been robbed out of here. But they won't be in there because that's something we took off. Someone's had the sump off it years ago. But the block is absolutely full, as you can see, of crap. So I'm going to have to clean that out as well. Now this is the original block. I'm going to have to change the head, unfortunately. I'm going to put the original head back. The head that was on the original head, that's the swipper thing. That's why I took the head off the other one. But anyway, so that's going to be done. We'll probably get the block of paint up. I'm going to do it all, set it up on the floor and try and get it all turning over and cranking and get everything working before I actually put it in. So I don't have to be struggling when I actually get it in. I think the props are going to be okay, and I think the back axle is going to be okay. So I'm going to be checking today for a few other bits I haven't got, which are some very long bolts to go through the picture frame into the blocks on the anti-roll bar mounting. So that's going to be done. And I'm not going to buy any floor bolts. I've got floor bolts. I'm not going to buy any more stuff. That I've got, I think, everything I need for that. I've got to make this pickup point here. I've got one in the shed, but I don't know whether I've got a proper one, a right one. We'll see anyway. But for the minute, we've also got to find the distributor, which seems to just be basically we're still on the dilemma as to whether to use that other rather than use the R380, whether I use the actual other gearbox. I don't know. I haven't made my mind up. To be continued. You'll see it as it happens, or as it's happened. I don't know, but like I said, that's that bit done. So yeah, we're coming on. I mean, as I say, getting it down to its wheels is crucial to get into stress, so I can try to sort this roof and sunroof out. Because I don't know. I just don't know. I just do not know still. I take one step forward and I take 20 steps back. Lack of enthusiasm is the first one we're suffering from today. So we're gonna go and get some bolts. We're gonna try and get some long bolts. Find out where my assistant's coming to give me a hand again, so we can get this underneath, either into red oxide or into something, and then we can get that all sorted out, the bits and pieces that are going to be done under there. Like I said, that's the next thing, but it's really hard because, like I say, you know what they say? Time is precious. You got to waste it wisely, and I'm wasting mine wisely. So, like I said, we're going to come back to it when we get a little bit further on, because we're getting, we're doing good. I'm not going to say we're not doing good, because we are. So there's a few bits that need, there's a few pieces I don't like. I mean I've got to clean all the threads out. Oh, and I broke the tap, didn't I? So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, so as I said, I'm going to come back to you when I'm ready, and hopefully you'll like and enjoy some more of this crap. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.